Good morning, this is Vladi, and this is Start Your Day with Positive Mind. We're talking about 7 positive emotions, which we're trying to implement into our daily thinking, daily activities, daily studies, daily everything we do, really. So today I am going to talk about faith. Now, faith is a powerful emotion, very strong, and it must be, I'm going to say this, however, it must be understood. So we must understand how mind and the natural laws work in order for faith to work. Now, faith has played a major role in history and in religion, and I've heard one of my mentors talking about Clarence Smitherson, and he defined faith as ability to see invisible, and believe into incredible, and to see the impossible. And now what it was is he was talking about our subconscious mind. So we plant a seed or idea into the subconscious mind, and subconscious mind will eventually, through and with us, give us the results which we desire. However, the desire, which is, we accept the desire in our conscious mind, and now unless we add faith to it, and to be fair, I believe expectancy as well. So desire with the faith and expectancy of it to happen, that's when you manifest the results. Now let me read you something. I'm reading this book from Ernest Holmes called This Thing Called You. And what the late Dr. Carroll said about faith is that the law of faith do not destroy physical laws. One law of God could not destroy another. Spiritual laws reproduce physical laws at a higher level. The higher law automatically controls the lower. This is equal to saying that the laws of mind can be made to control the physical body and the physical environment when they are rightly used, not through denying body or environment, but by including them in a larger system. So faith is something which we have to find inside us. And we've heard often to say that faith moves the mountains, but let me repeat what I said at the beginning. Unless we understand how mind and the natural laws work, it's not entirely true. And one more thing I will read you from the book is faith. Sorry, let me just quick. Where was I? Faith does not obliterate other laws, nor can faith which is not true create true out of error. Rather, faith in right must always reverse that which is wrong. So all who have acted upon I have received a definite result. Faith is a great adventure, a stimulating pursuit, a worthwhile attempt to utilize the higher laws of your being for definite purposes. And the law of faith operates with integrity on the definite idea through expectancy or acceptance implanted. So what does it mean? We're talking about having the seed implanted in the idea implanted in our subconscious mind, for it to come through and with us and happen and show us the result which we desire. What we must do, we must be faithful in the law of gestation. So when we want something, we have to utilize, we have to look after the garden of mind, where you need to fertilize with expectancy and water it with hope, and cultivate with enthusiasm, gratitude, and joyous recognition. I love this book. And it's so true. Unless we have the faith and belief in what we planted will happen and come to truth, then we won't see the results. And that's why we sometimes get disappointment that, oh, this stuff doesn't work. But we need to seriously start studying laws and ourselves and faith and the invisible forces that can help you to get what you want. That's Vladi, and tomorrow we're talking about another positive emotions. Bye.